here's our view. Ay, busog. Sobrang sarap. Ay, te! Nilak! So, yan po. Naka-medyas lang. Thank you so much. At meron silang pa-laundry. Apat na king size beds. So, may Pop Mart na pala dito sa ABC Dash. Ayun! Nanalo! Ayun. Gusto ko lang din. Natin natin sila lumabas. Room tour, late na room tour. Check out na kami. So, pagpasok nyo ito. So, may hangaran dito. Mayroon ding slippers. Dalawang slippers nila na type. Yung isa ito, yung disposable. Tapos isa yung panghapon. Ito ay fabric refreshener. May pang yung sapatos. Meron ding shoe brush and polisher. Actually, hindi ko alam paano gumagana ito. So, may full-length mirror dito. Tapos dito yung bathroom. So, yan. May face and hand soap. Your bidet. Sa automatic na toilet to. Pinawag dyan. Ito yung tub area. Meron body shampoo, hair shampoo at hair conditioner. So, yan. Hot and cold naman yan. And then dito, yung safe laundry bag, which kunin ko na.
Kalat.
Kalat niya. So, dalawang anong size ba to, Queen?
Full size yata. Sabi? Full size.
Parang queen size nga to. Dalawang queen size. May TV kaso siya. Yung TV, mga
Hindi nagamit.
hindi nagamit eh. Pero nung inopen ko, parang more on yung binabayaran. May air purifier. So may small area here. May intercom. Then dito naman may, of course, your ref. So may isang outlet. May water kettle, your glasses and mugs. May tea. Wait, tea in here. So tea and sugar. So may dito, small couch, madumi. Hindi po ako nagdumi dyan naman. Sadyang ganyan na po itsura. Then may table dito. So yan. So dun sa bed area, both side naman may control sa ilaw. And then may USB type C, type A. Tapos ito ay yung normal na outlet. So, no smoking pala dito. So, yan. Centralized din yung aircon. Ito yung aircon control. Kaso, ayan ang pinakamababa niya, 20. So, medyo mainit. Kaya to nakabukas ang bintana namin. Ito pala yung view from our hotel. This is, what's the name of this again? Art Hotel. Yan. Art Hotel, Pasaka Bay Tower. So, here's our view. Tayo dito sa Hotel Sun Plaza 2. Kasi nga, another day, another hotel. So, nasa Shin Imamiya area pala to. So, near 614. Ano siya? Pagpasok mo, ayun na. So, So, yung bed here, single. May ref and TV. May, may AC din. May table doon. And, as you can see, kumasya po ang dalawa nating maleta. Although, disclaimer lang itong maleta kong to is trunk style. So, hindi siya as malapad as yung normal na maleta, diba? And this one naman is carry-on. But still, maluwag pa din siya.
Can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, never your life. Welcome. Can be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me.
So, wag to. Ito dapat. Wala siyang access fee.
Cause I know that some things can't be true. Cause I get
Parang ang layo masyado ng upuan ko sa...
Okay, let's go! Okay, go, let's go!
We're done with lunch. Ay, busog. Sobrang sarap. Yeah.
Ew, what's that smell?
It's my pupu.
Teka lang, I need shoes.
Wag na. Ako din.
Nakaalam ako eh. Bibili mo akong socks.
Malinis naman. Kakalimpaso na lang.
Paano?
So, room tour dito. Ano nga to? Coco Hotel. But this tower is the residence. Coco Residence Tower. Ay, te. Nilak.
Ba't mo sinara? Oh my
Ang
God,
epic.
seryoso
Wala ba
ba?
ano? Wala. Nilak.
Ano tayo bababa?
So, yan po. Naka-medyas lang po kami.
maybe I'm incomplete.
15 pesos.
And a messed up masterpiece. No end.
Sorry, can you help us out? We got locked out of the room. Look at that.
Bibili mo akong socks.
I don't need. No, it's okay. We just need help getting in there. Okay. Oh, thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much.
A childish 20-something with my pros
1551 tayo.
and mistakes in my life.
Thank you so much.
In progress.
So, room tour. So, na po talaga room tour. So, yan.
Nag-isang bra. Sa takot ko.
Yung ano,
Alin?
medyas, kung hindi masyado. Ang garnish. Ano gusto mo? Ano na? Ulit na malak ulit.
Habang pwedeng harang dyan.
Okay, so room tour 15. So dito, ito po yung toilet. Ano naman siya? Japanese toilet. Then dito yung hangers. May safe. May drawer dito. Tapos may kitchen. Kasi residence eh. So meron silang pa-kitchen. Fully functional to. May tube burner. Oh, may ano din. Utensils. Oh, meron din pots. Then dito naman ay yung lavatory. At meron silang pa-laundry. Ito. Diba? Okay. At ito yung shower area. na may bathtub. Okay, siya para siyang bago. Then may ref. Malaking ref actually. Freezer sa baba. May microwave. May 4 na king ba to?
I think king size bed.
4 na king size beds. May air condition din. At merong dining table. Sobrang malaki siya. Sobrang laki niya. Good for family talaga. How much mo nga ito na book?
Hindi ko na maalala. Basta 2,500 for like 10 nights.
So yan oh, may TV din. Ano ang TV nila? May Netflix?
I think so. Yun lang, basahin mo.
May Netflix dito sa loob. O diba? Pagbukas, sumo agad. Ay, meron.
Alin?
Meron din pala silang tabi. So, ito ba, Coco Hotel Osaka numbers.
So, ang trick kasi is
Pa-member.
magpa-member ka. So, you get like 10% off. Tapos, may late checkout.
So, 9,000 in
Tapos,
peso.
nagbayad lang ako ng
per night
ng
yan
tax.
And that's good for 7 people. So, divide mo na 7 yun. 1,300 lang. Sulit na. Book na.
Paid.
Hindi, mura na siya. Tsaka ang laki niya kasi mahirap maghanap sa Japan ng malaking room.
Exactly.
Especially if malaking group kayo eh. At malapit lang siya sa station. Sa pagkababa mo station na. So may Pop Mart na pala dito sa Ibisubashi.
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry. Can't face me, we can talk it out. No, we don't need to fight. I can get anxious, but I won't cry. You never know, cause I keep it inside. So I show up strong.
So pagkatapos na Ibisubashi, ito na yung Dotonbori.
Maybe two of us.
So yan. Pa doon.
Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I
The last one here.
so I want to love in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Everything and nothing, a childish 20-something with my pros and my cons.
So that's Dotonbori River.
Mistakes in my blood.
So yan yung Don Quixote. Ito yung sikat dito. Glicoman.
And a work in progress.
Grabe kami to. Shintabashi. So nagutom na ako. For dinner, we are here at Kura Sushi. So, I'm with Diane and her family. So, first time ko actually dito kasi hindi man talaga ako makain ng sushi. Pero may mga luto naman dito. Buti na lang. Kasi hindi ako makain ng hilaw. But yeah, masarap naman. And mura lang siya kasi 115 yen per plate lang siya. Pero meron pa din namang ibang items na I think kung tama maalala ko nasa 300 yen lang naman. So, mura lang siya and masarap yung food.
Okay. Okay ka ah.
Ayun, yan. Ito, mag-game ate. Ay,
Kailangan, hindi ka nanalo.
tayo.
Ganon! Kailangan
Ayun.
Ito ulit. Nanalungin natin.
Ayun! Nanalo!
Ayan, nalalabas.
Yun!
With my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws, don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art.
So this is Ibizubashi at night. So ito yung Takashimaya. So nandun yung Nankai Nambay Station. Then dito naman yung Osaka Metro. So from here, 2 stops. Sa station ko, sa hotel. Dami ko nang isang bag. So dito sa Hotel Sun Plaza, may coin laundry. So yung wash is may this one. I don't think too much. Yes, okay lang. May coins ah. Lagay ko na pala ito. So 30 yan. Dito ko lang din na. Meron naman silang binibenta dito. This, din ang damit. Tapos ang dami kong damit. Somebody lang siya water. Sige natin. I had another one. Dalawa naman yung binili. So, very nice. So, maliligo muna ako habang naglalaba to. So, dito lang din yung CR, yung bathroom kasi per floor may toilet pero yung bathroom nandito sa first floor. Ito yung reception. So, ito yung bathroom. So, meron silang parang facility. Kaso, 7:30 to 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. So, bukas naman pala. So, nilalak pala nila ng entrance kapag after 11 p.m. Pero may, ano naman, bigyan naman kayo ng pin para makapasok.